Transform your decking projects with the Wolfcraft Deck Flooring Drilling Set. This compact yet powerful tool ensures precise spacing, accurate drilling, and perfect screw alignment every time. Say goodbye to split boards and uneven gaps. And hello to clean, professional-looking results. With its built-in depth stop and guide, even beginners can produce flawless decks. It works with most cordless drills and is great for softwood and hardwood. The design speeds up installation without compromising accuracy. You'll save time, effort, and frustration on your next outdoor build. Durable and smartly engineered, it's a game changer for any deck job. Shape and smooth like a pro with the Wolfcraft milling disc. Designed for use with angle grinders, this disc eats through wood like butter, making quick work of rough surfaces. It's ideal for sculpting, leveling, or stripping wood down to its core. The hardened teeth provide aggressive cutting action without clogging. Whether you're carving furniture or prepping beams, this disc saves serious time. Its balanced design minimizes vibration, giving you full control. Say goodbye to sandpaper waste and hello to raw, fast shaping. This is sculpting, redefined for the serious craftsman. Make angled cuts with total confidence using the Wolfcraft Bevel Plus Mitre box. This isn't your ordinary Mitre box. It's designed for complex bevels and perfect precision. The integrated angle finder automatically adjusts the saw guide for exact compound cuts. Whether you're framing, installing trim, or crafting furniture, this tool ensures crisp, clean joints. Built-in guides hold your saw steady to eliminate errors. It's lightweight, durable, and super easy to use right out of the box. Forget confusing calculations. The Bevel Plus has your angles covered. It's the secret weapon for sharp cuts and sharper results. Achieve silky smooth edges with the Wolfcraft Triple Blade Edge Planer. This manual hand tool is packed with 3 high-quality blades for fast and even material removal. It's perfect for smoothing, rounding, or chamfering sharp edges on wood and plastic. With ergonomic grips and an adjustable cutting depth, it delivers comfort and control in every pass. The clever design allows clean cuts without tear out. Whether you're finishing plywood or refining cabinetry, this planer adds a professional touch. It's small enough to carry anywhere but powerful enough to leave a mark. One swipe and your edges are perfection. Add rock-solid hold without bulky setups using the Kreg Inline clamp. This clever clamp drops right into any 3/4 inch or 20mm dog hole for effortless surface pressure. Its push-to-clamp action secures your workpiece flush to the bench with a low profile. Say goodbye to oversized clamps that get in your way. It's perfect for sanding, routing, or assembling projects hands-free. The durable metal construction ensures long life even under heavy use. Whether you're building furniture or prepping joinery, this clamp keeps your workspace clean and secure. Simple, strong, and smart, just the way clamping should be. Meet the Kreg-PUCK, your project's best new friend. These multi-use blocks elevate, grip, and support your workpieces without damage. Use them for sanding, routing, painting, or gluing with total stability. Non-slip surfaces and interlocking design keep everything in place, no matter the task. They lift your material off the bench, protecting surfaces from scratches and glue drips. Need extra support? Stack them, rotate them, or flip them. These pucks adapt. Their compact size means they store easily and go anywhere. It's small, simple innovation that makes your workflow smoother and smarter. Drill and drive without changing bits thanks to the Kreg Quick Flip. This genius tool saves time by combining a pilot hole drill and a countersink driver in one quick motion. Just flip it around and keep going. No more fumbling with multiple bits. It fits standard drills and works on wood, MDF, and more. Ideal for cabinetry, framing, and furniture work where speed and precision matter. The integrated depth collar ensures perfect screw fit every time. It's compact, tough, and designed for non-stop productivity. Quick, clean, and incredibly clever. This tool does double duty like a champ. Level up your sanding with the MilesCraft Sandi block. This handheld tool fits perfectly in your palm, giving you comfort and control across a variety of surfaces. The clever curved and flat sides handle contours, edges, and flat areas with ease. Swap out standard sandpaper strips in seconds thanks to the Easy Load clamps. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue and boosts precision, especially for detailed work. Whether you're finishing trim or smoothing small parts, this tool brings consistency to your sanding. No more uneven pressure or awkward grips. Just clean, smooth surfaces every time. Stay safe and in control with the MilesCraft PushStick. Designed for use with table saws, jointers, and router tables, This tool keeps your hands a safe distance from the blade. The high-visibility body and grippy foot give you confident pushing power across wood surfaces. It's shaped for a natural grip and extended reach, even on narrow cuts, perfect for ripping thin stock or feeding wood consistently through machines. The lightweight yet rugged build makes it a staple in any workshop. Safety meets comfort in one smart stick. It's a must-have for serious woodworkers. Flawless, mitered corners every time with the MilesCraft Trim 45. This all-in-one trim carpentry aid simplifies measuring, marking, and cutting inside and outside corners. Its built-in angle guides, pencil notches, and ruler edges eliminate guesswork. Perfect for crown molding, baseboards, and trim installation on the fly. Whether you're measuring once or cutting twice, this tool improves accuracy and reduces waste. It works with standard tools and fits in your tool pouch. Compact, reliable, and loaded with features. It's like having a trim expert in your pocket. Dial in flawless layout lines with the Woodpecker's Precision Triangle Set. These anodized aluminum triangles are CNC machined for dead-on accuracy every single time. Mark angles, scribe lines, or verify squareness in a flash. With laser-etched scales and thick construction, they won't flex, fade, or fail under pressure. Whether you're building cabinets or aligning jigs, this set brings pro-level precision to the table. The large handles and perfectly machined edges make layout work feel buttery smooth. It's the kind of tool you didn't know you needed until you use it. Once you do, there's no going back. Professional screw finishes with the Ezark Countersink Set. Each bit combines a drill and countersink in one, so you can prep for screws in a single step. Made from high-speed steel, they cut through wood, plywood, and MDF with zero tear-out. The adjustable depth collars make it easy to control countersink depth perfectly. Whether you're building furniture or installing hardware, this set ensures tight fits and a clean look. The quick change hex shank means faster swaps and more time building. Say goodbye to ugly screw heads. This kit delivers smooth finishes every time. Clamp smarter, not harder, with the Shopfox Cam Clamp. This lightweight, easy-to-use clamp uses cam leverage to apply strong, even pressure in seconds. It's perfect for delicate work like gluing veneers or assembling light frames. The wooden jaws provide gentle contact without marring your material, while the quick-set action speeds up your workflow. Whether you're working on small boxes or trim, it grips like a champ with minimal effort. The simple mechanism offers surprising strength and reliability. It's the go-to clamp when precision and speed matter most. Add a few to your bench. You'll thank yourself later. Slice perfect holes fast with the Trend Electrician Hole Saw Set. Designed for wood, plasterboard, and soft plastics, this set makes clean cuts for electrical boxes and pipe runs. The high-carbon steel teeth stay sharp cut after cut, while the included arbor makes changing sizes quick and easy. It's compact, organized, and comes ready to tackle site work or shop jobs. Whether you're installing outlets or routing cables, this kit saves time and delivers results. With 6 essential sizes in one tough case, it's a no-brainer addition to your gear. Clean holes, no stress, every time. Sand smarter with Infiniti's sleeveless sanding drums. These drums use abrasive sleeves that slide on and off in seconds. No tools, no glue, no fuss. Designed to fit drill presses and rotary tools, they're ideal for smoothing curves, edges, and inside holes. The rubber body expands under pressure to grip the sleeve tightly while sanding. Whether you're refining furniture or sculpting wood art, these deliver silky finishes. Their clever design minimizes heat buildup, preventing burn marks and gumming. It's the ultimate upgrade for any spindle sanding setup. Simple to use and incredibly effective. Just slip, spin, and smooth. Measure angles with dead-on precision using the Dasqua T33585. This digital angle finder gives real-time readings with high accuracy, making it perfect for miters, bevels, and layout work. The clear digital display shows degrees instantly, while the lock function holds angles for transfer. Built tough with a metal body, it's ready for shop or site. It's compact enough to slip into a tool pouch, but powerful enough to replace multiple measuring tools. No more guessing or adjusting. Just measure and go. Whether you're dialing in joinery or setting up machinery, this tool gets it right the first time. Trim edges like a pro with the Jeroflier double-edge trimmer. This clever tool cuts both sides of edge banding at once, giving you a smooth, flush finish every time. It's perfect for cabinetry, plywood, or laminated surfaces. Just clamp and slide. It's that easy. Sharp blades slice cleanly without chipping or tearing your banding. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand for steady, consistent trimming. Lightweight yet rugged, It tackles big jobs with ease. Say goodbye to sanding and fussing over uneven edges. This tool finishes clean and fast in one smooth pass.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.